Hi children, today we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 8.4. So what this question says children, let's see it. So it says that O is any point in the interior of a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC, ABC children, in which O is a point. O is a point children, I am taking it as a O. OD perpendicular to BC. That is from here we have to draw a perpendicular to BC. Name it as a OD. OE perpendicular to AC. From here we have to draw a perpendicular. Name it as a OE. And OF perpendicular to AE. Draw it perpendicular to AE. Okay children. Now we have to prove so and so. So children, first what is given, write down. Given. What is the given thing? In triangle ABC, O is a point. O is a point. O is a point in the interior. In the interior, such that what? OD perpendicular to BC, comma OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular AB. This is given information children. Okay, so what we have to prove? Required to prove bit number 1 and bit number 2. You have to copy these 2 bits. It's somewhat longer, so I am not writing children. You write bit number 1 and bit number 2. So is it require any construction? Yes children. Why it requires construction? Because here everywhere you are seeing that square, and it is not possible to find this one without having a right angle triangle. To get the right angle triangle, let's join AO, BO, CO. Now we get here triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right angle triangle we are getting here only. Of course other might be also there, but here we are getting 6 right angle triangle which we require. So I am writing here join AO, BO and CO. Okay children, after joining let's start the proof children. How to do proof? So children, what is required here? OA required. So choose a side, choose a right angle triangle involving OA. Okay children, so and that side what is required? AF square. So I am going to choose a right angle triangle AOF because that side AF and this side OA. See here we require OA and here there is a AF. So I am choosing in triangle AFO. Angle AFO is equal to 90 degree. How can you say? By construction. Okay children, by construction. Now children, or you can write directly given also because perpendicular na, so you can write given. So therefore what happens children? If it's a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse, this is 90 angle, opposite side is hypotenuse, that is OA square. OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square. How can you say? By Pythagoras theorem. So take it as a number 1 children. Okay children, now we got one term OA square. At that side we got AF square. Next come to OB square. Choose a triangle involving OB and that side we are having BD square. So OB and BD. So it's better choose triangle number 3. So in triangle BDO angle BDO is equal to 90 degree. How children? Given. Therefore, what can we write? This is 90. Opposite is a hypotenuse. So BO square is equal to BD square plus OD square. Okay children. Number 2. How children? You can write by Pythagoras theorem. Two terms we got children, OA square, OB square. Similarly, we have take one more which should involve the side OC. Okay children. Alright, let's take a triangle involving side OC. So in triangle, which triangle children? OC, and this side CE. So OC, CE. We are choosing triangle number 5. So in triangle CEO, angle CEO is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, what can we write? 90 opposite side, OC square. OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. Number 3. How can you say? By Pythagoras theorem children. Okay children, due to shortage of space I am writing in short PYTH. You must have to write Pythagoras theorem children. Okay children? Right. Now simply because plus symbol is there between them. So write add 1, 2 and 3. What was there LHS of number 1 children? Here. This is OA square. Plus number 2 BO square or OB square. Number 3 OC square. Right side AF square plus FO square. First one. Second one BD square plus OD square or DO square. Here plus OE square plus CE square children. Okay children? Right. Now see what is the requirement. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 over. Extra what is required? OD square. Is OD square there? Yes, OD square there. Next OE square. It is also there. Next OF square. It is also there. But present on right side with plus symbol. Here we require left minus symbol with left side. So we can transpose them on left side. So OA square plus OB square plus OC square. This OD comes this side. Minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to right side. What is left children? AF square plus BD square plus CE square. And this was the thing which we had to prove. So hence proved children. Hence proved. Let's solve the bit number 2 of this question children. So what the bit number 2 required? AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So let's choose a triangle involving side AF. This is a AF side and this is a triangle. Triangle number 1 you can take children. See the triangle number 1. In triangle number 1 I can write here AF square is equal to, because this is a 90 angle. This is a 90. See children, I am making here separately A, F and O. So this is a 90 angle. So this will be hypotenuse. This is perpendicular. This is base. So we require this side. So this side, what you can take? OA square is equal to AF square plus FO square. We got in the equation number 1. But here we are going to take only this side. So AF square is equal to what happens? AO square minus OF square. Is it not children? This square is equal to this square plus this square, or this square is equal to this square minus this square. Similarly, next BD square. Wherever the BD side, take it BD square. BD square. This BD square is equal to BO square minus OD square. BO square minus OD square. And next what we required, CE square. This CE square is equal to CO square minus OE square. CO square minus OE square. That is CE square is equal to, take it as a number 4, number 5, number 6. Now you can write add 4, 5 and 6 children. If you add left side, AF square plus BD square plus C square. See left side, AF square plus BD square plus C square. Left side we got it. Right side, AO square minus OF square plus BO square minus OD square plus CO square minus OE square. Okay children. So now left side we have got, that is AF square plus BD square plus C square. Left side we have got children. We have to get right side. Okay. So what is the requirement right side? AE square. AE square. So see in the figure children, where is AE? AE. AE belongs to which triangle? AE belongs to this triangle children. AE belongs to, A is the side of this triangle. So similarly AE square is equal to what children? This is a 90. This is a 90. Its opposite is a hypotenuse. So this AE square is nothing but OA square minus OE square. OA square minus OE square. So I am writing them together. AO square minus OE squares together. I took these two terms and wrote them together. Plus next what is required? CD square. Where is CD? This CD. So CD square. CD belongs to which triangle children? CD belongs to triangle number 4. CD belongs to triangle number 4. And CD is a base. So this square is nothing but hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. That is CO square minus OD square. CO square minus OD square. I am writing them separately. CO square minus OD square. Plus left is a BO square minus OF square. So children, AF square plus BD square plus C square is equal to AO square minus OE square. AO square minus OE square is nothing but AE square plus CO square minus OD square. CO square minus OD square is nothing but CD square as per Pythagoras, plus BO square minus BO square minus OF square. BO square minus OF square is nothing but BF square by Pythagoras theorem children. So this we got within single step. Nothing, just carefully you do. Just we should be able to write them together and change it as per Pythagoras theorem children. So hope you understood this question. Of course somewhat lengthy, but it's a very easy and no need of special or extra explanation for this. If you are having the idea of Pythagoras theorem, you should be able to solve this question. Okay children.